I am going long on Bitcoin right now because exactly my setup has been met, and as I was mentioning in my last previous video, the price has exactly went to the bottom of my zone. Well, what is my trade update? Each and everything I will discuss in today's video. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the point. Alright, so I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and in my last previous video I informed you guys that after this huge pump towards the upside that I already predicted, there are high chances that price of Bitcoin can dump till here, and even if it does not dump, I will enter here only. So for sure I knew that after this huge big candle, buyers are getting exhausted and there are chances of some sellers for the shorter time to enter in the market for a retest, because if you look closely, it did a huge breakout of my important support and resistance zone. So there are chances it can dump towards the downside for a retest and then continue way back up, because you can clearly see Bitcoin's price for the past couple of months is in a sideways channel right here, and it did couple of fake out also, for example here, and which I exactly predicted it. I went long here and caught the whole move. Same thing happening right now here also. I did entered in a long position exactly at the bottom, but due to my mistake I closed that position and I regret it. I will link that video in my comment box, so do watch that video. After this video you will learn plethora of things from that video. So currently I told you all that if the price of Bitcoin dumps towards the downside little bit and comes at this level right here at 57,800, I will go long. And well, as you can clearly see, my analysis has met perfectly. Approximately the price did manage to come at the bottom of my zone, so this is my right time to enter in a long position. I would have entered exactly here, but I was sleeping, and when I woke up I saw the price somewhat over here at 58,600, so I entered here. Now let me make it very clear that right now I have entered with very small quantity, not a big huge quantity, because if the price continues to dump towards the downside, I will add on to my quantity as well, because you can clearly see my plan was to enter here, but I am entering here right now. So it is a bit risky trade, but eventually the breakout has happened, retest is also happened, so there are high chances for the price to go towards the upside. Price has successfully entered in this sideways zone once again, so its next target is somewhat over here at $68,700, but my first target is $65,000, $65.3. this is my first target right here. Second will be $69,000, and then so on. Same thing that I followed here also in this trade. If you look closely, my first take profit was this, which was successfully met. Second successfully met, and the third was here at approx $71,000, which did not met, and it was a very close margin right there, but it's okay. I was trailing my stop loss very aggressively, so I booked a plethora of amount of profits. So yeah, this is my trade update right here. You already know why I am entering in a long position, what is my take profit, and this is my stop loss at 55,300. Currently it is a 1:2 trade. Let's see how this goes, and yeah, even if it occurs in a loss, it's okay, not a big issue. Coming to the Ethereum, why I am bullish on Ethereum, and because first of all Bitcoin is near its support zone, and also Ethereum, it is exactly inside my support and resistance zone from $2,500 to $2,700, and you can clearly see price of Ethereum also did a breakout, exactly got rejected from upper part of my zone, and now coming for a retest. So this is a good time for going long on Ethereum as well, but right now I'm only focusing on Bitcoin. So let's see what happens. Also, price is in a downtrend. If I zoom out, you can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has been met. This is the area of oversold. You can clearly see Ethereum is very oversold right here. Bears have shown their full potential, and I am pretty sure they are exhausted right now. So there are chances of bulls to enter in the market and form a new lower high. this will be a risky trade if you are planning to enter, okay? And I'm not giving you any signals. Do your own analysis, learn trading, but this will be a risky trade. I've already explained plethora of times, because right now we are entering at a lower low. Price will go towards the upside to form a lower high, but when it does form the lower high, there are high chances that price can again reverse towards the downside to form a new lower low. So it is a risky trade for sure, or a break even trade I would say. But if the price of Ethereum does a breakout of this downtrend, then we can see some huge gains. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand what is my trade update right here, my analysis that ensured me to enter in this long position trade. Do watch my previous video and also special video that I will be linking in the comment, and you will learn plethora of things. Do watch all the videos. See you guys next time. Bye.